Just meet and greet again. And, but, sana yung supporter niyo sa team, patuloy niyo sa darating na FIBA Champions Cup. Mamanin pa kayo? Talaga, promise ha. Hahanapin namin kayo dun sa event. It's gonna be May 28 hanggang June 5 yan. Almost every day may game yung team. And we'll be playing against teams from Asia, mga Lebanon, Iran, Korea, may Korea ba? Jordan. Basta, yung mga team from Asia, malakas yan. Kaya manood kayo, please, kailangan talaga namin ng support ninyo para ganahan naman kami at saka mag-cheer kayo ng malakas. Okay, so, see you there sa Ultra, gagawin yung games at Pure Sports dyan lang sa Pasig. Again, thank you so much for coming and di pa kami alis, so kung makakantay kayo, aabutin yung pila sa inyo, pipirmahan namin yung mga souvenirs niyo and magpapapicture din yung mga players. So, mababait yung mga yan, huwag kayo mag-alala. Thank you.
So let's give it up for Chris Chu. Thank you very much. I'll be passing around the mic for a few words from all the players.
Your shirt to Charles. Come on. How you guys doing?